My truck won't start, and my ex won't call. The fish don't bite, and my luck's gone small. But the worst part hit me out the blue. My dog won't fetch and won't look through. He used to wag his tail when I came home. Now he growls when I grab my phone. Guess he saw those photos of me and her, and now he's ghosting me. Fur and fur. My dog blocked my number, kicked me off his couch, ate my last Slim Jim and threw my boots out. He used to ride shotgun, now he won't even bark. Guess loyalty ends when you break his heart. Yeah, he's moving on, found a new owner. My dog blocked my number. He changed his text, it don't call back. Moved 3 houses down with the Joneses cat. Now he's eating steak while I'm eating beans, watching me cry on his camera feed. He posts on Insta with a smug old grin. Best life ever, no more him. Even the vet said, boy, she's gone. That dog's happier since you've been gone. My dog blocked my number, kicked me off his couch, ate my last Slim Jim and threw my boots out. He used to ride shotgun, now he won't even bark. Guess loyalty ends when you break his heart. Yeah, he's moving on, found a new owner. My dog blocked my number. Tried to FaceTime, he hit decline. Guess I crossed that K9 line. I even texted, buddy, come home. He sent back a poop emoji and a bone. My dog blocked my number, he's done with my mess. Took the couch, the girl, and my GPS. Now I'm single, sober, and smelling like shame. Even my dog won't play this game. Yeah, he's moving on, guess I deserve the blunder. My dog blocked my number. And I swear if he starts dating that cat, I'm getting a goldfish.